Thanks for talking to us. But all kinds of speculations are doing the round now. This whole IPL controversy, at one level, is also being seen as an underlying tension between the Congress and the NCP. Mr. Pawar has actually spoken very few times, but the one time he did, he actually said there was nothing wrong in Lalit Modi disclosing the names of stakeholders of the IPL Kochi team.
I don't first of all see any reason for you to bring up our alliance in this, because our alliance is for something completely different. The Congress party and the NCP came together to serve this nation, and we are totally committed to the cause of delivering good governance to this nation. So let's not mix IPL with Congress and NCP. I think we are far more serious, and cricket is something totally different.
Okay. No, the reason I say this is that many believe that because Congress, Shashi Tharoor was involved on the one side, it was more seen as a Shashi Tharoor Modi spat, but that kind of also spilled over into Congress and NCP spat. That's the reason.
I don't see it as a Congress NCP spat at all, because the Shashi Tharoor issue is a completely internal issue of the Congress party, which is, I don't think it's any of our business and all. And especially as our alliance is concerned, our alliance is, as I mentioned earlier, I repeat myself again, is for the development of this nation. So let's not comparing oranges to peaches.
Okay, one more question. I know that there are newspaper reports, they haven't mentioned anyone, but also in many ways they leave it to no one's imagination really. They talked about senior ministers of an important UPA ally based in Maharashtra, who's also involved in IPL stakes. So as I said, that they haven't mentioned the NCP, but they leave it to no one's imagination. Your take on this?
No, I just take it as a joke, because I know it's completely frivolous gossip, and I don't think beyond a point they want to fill up their columns. It's their choice.
You completely deny allegations that any of the ministers of the NCP are involved in the IPL.
One thing, me or my entire family has nothing, I reiterate, has nothing to do with any IPL franchisee. We don't have a single share, and we have no interest either. Our politics is not about cricket. Our politics is about development.
Tuba.com